loves! Welcome back to my channel and here, and if you are a new viewer on my channel, hello girl and welcome to my channel. I hope that you will consider subscribing to my channel because I do upload beauty videos every single week. So for today guys, I am very excited to do this video because a friend of mine actually recommended this product for me to review, and I also have seen a lot of reviews about this product from the beauty community here in YouTube, specifically here in the Philippines. So if ever you guys are wondering what product I am talking about the Belo Sun Expert Perfecting Shield Tinted Sunscreen. So if you guys wanted to know my thoughts on this product, then just keep on watching. So, I believe that this product is available nationwide sa ating mga malls because I've seen this sa SM Naga, sa Robinsons Naga, and I bought mine sa LCC department store. So, I think that you can find this nationwide, and it's also available at Lazada. So, I will just put the link at the description box below so that if ever you guys are interested in trying this product out, you will be able to order it from there kung wala kayong kita sa mall. This product has two sizes. So, I got mine yung travel size lang because I just wanted to try it out first before purchasing the bigger size. So, for the travel size, you will be getting 10 ml of the product and it costs 169 pesos and 75 centavos. And for the bigger or fuller size, you will be able to get 50 ml of the product and it costs 449 pesos and 75 cents. As for the packaging, it is contained in a box, and you will be able to see here the name of the product, and it says na it has tone adapt technology. The shade is medium to deep, SPF 50 PA++++, ang dami plus, broad spectrum UVA or UVB protection, and then yung kanyang content which is 10 ml. At the side of the box, you will be able to see the usage or the direction and how to use it. And it says that you have to tap before use, or what it means for me is kailangan mo siyang i-shake ng ganyan bago mo siya gamitin para siguro mahalo yung product inside. And then apply a small amount into face and blend evenly with your fingertips. Can serve as a primer substitute. Below that, you will be able to see the warnings. So, for external use only, avoid contact with eyes, keep out of reach of children, do not swallow, do not stay too long in the sun, even while using a sunscreen product. Discontinue use if signs of irritation or rash appear. So, yan yung nasa warning. The back of the box, you will be able to see here the claims. So, get superior sun protection plus this flawless no makeup look every day. Use alone for instant perfecting coverage or layer under your favorite foundation or powder. So, it says here that it has SPF 50 and PA++++. Ensure broad spectrum protection against harmful UV rays. Tone Adapt technology evens out skin tone, conceals fine lines, wrinkles, and other imperfections. And lastly, Cell Protects, strengthens skin defense against premature skin aging. It's paraben-free, non-comedogenic, hypoallergenic, and dermatologist tested. So, yung main ingredient niya is water. So, yan yung nasa box. And when you open it up, you will be able to see this plastic squeezy tube. Yun yung lalagyan niya. And again, itsura niya yung box, yellow, and then yung kanyang shade. And then, it has a golden cup. So, when it comes to the consistency of the product, as you guys can see, very creamy siya. Hindi siya nag-move. Pero very lightweight lang din siya. Para siyang moisturizer lang yung feel or lotion. Ayan. So, before we apply the product on my face, I just wanted to let you guys see the condition of my skin right now. And as you guys can see, I do have problematic skin. I do have large pores on the center of my face. Mainly on my cheeks, dito sa apples ng aking cheeks. And then I do have sunspots or freckles on my nose. And I do have acne marks or scarring here. So guys can see, ayan siya. And dito din. And I do have bad under eye circles. As you guys can see, puffy siya and dark. By the way, if ever you guys are new to my channel, I do have a very oily skin and I am also acidic. Mind you guys that this product sets fast or madali siyang mag-dry. So, kailangan you have to work in sections so that you will have like an even application of this product. So, let's start applying it now using my fingertips. Meron siya guys amoy, pero mabango siya, hindi siya tsaka sa ilong na amoy. It smells good. And as you guys can see, while I am applying this, hindi niya natatakpan yung major skin imperfections ko, like scarrings and yung parang broken capillaries dito, ito. Hindi niya talaga siya natatakpan. It has a very light coverage. If ever you guys are wondering kung buildable ba yung coverage niya, hindi po buildable. Kasi kahit i-apply ko pa yan, once I blend it out, medyo nakikita pa rin yung skin imperfections ko. This is the side where I applied the tinted sunscreen already, and this is the side na wala. I've noticed that it did help in filling in my pores, so hindi siya masyadong malaki tignan dito sa side na to. Compared here, nakitang-kita niyo yung mga chismis sa mukha ko. But here, medyo minimized naman siyang tignan. But that is going to be much more visible kung maglalagay tayo ng foundation, and that is what I'm actually going to do in this review since hindi ako satisfied sa coverage niya. So, I'm just going to apply it on the rest of my face. And then, I'm going to apply the foundation. If you are always on the go, I think that you will like this product alone, or kung wala kayong mga major imperfections sa skin, I think that this product can work for you. Pero sa akin kasi, since I do have a lot of skin imperfections, I prefer products na merong medium to full coverage. But that is just a personal preference. Nasa sa inyo na yan kung gusto nyo pang dagdagan yung coverage nitong product na to or not. So, depende sa skin nyo kasi. Blendability-wise, okay lang din naman siyang i-blend, and it feels super duper lightweight on the skin. Hindi naman siya mabigat sa aking skin. You can also do like spot concealing to hide the imperfections or some of the imperfections on your skin kung ayaw nyo nang dagdagan to ng foundation. And by the way, yung finish niya guys, hindi siya sobrang matte, hindi din siya sobrang dewy. Parang natural finish lang yung nabibigay nitong product na to sa akin, which is really good. So, ayun na yung itsura niya after applying it all over my face. I'm also going to show you guys what it looks like with the foundation on top so that you guys will be able to see what it looks like when you use this product as a primer. And before we apply our foundation, I just wanted to do a flash photo para ipakita sa inyo kung ano yung magiging itsura niya in flash photography. So, I'll just close the lights and then I'm going to use the back camera of my phone to take the picture. Okay, so sa photo guys, meron siyang white cast. Pero I expected that to happen because this product has SPF 50. So hindi ko siya marirecommend if you are going to have photo shoots. Huwag yung gagamitin yung product na to kasi magkakaroon kayo ng white cast. So let us now apply the foundation on top of this product. And by the way, the foundation that I'm going to use is the L'Oreal Infallible Pro Matte Foundation because I forgot to mention, but this product doesn't control the oiliness of my skin. So, sobrang mag-oiling skin ko when I use this product. So, make sure that you are using a mattifying foundation if you are going to use this product as a primer if you have oily skin. I think that this product helped the foundation to blend out faster. And hindi din siya guys nagda-dry up ng mabilis. And if you guys have tried yung L'Oreal Infallible Pro Matte, mabilis siyang mag-set. So, you really have to work in sections when you are using this foundation. But when I use this sunscreen as my primer, it gives me time na ma-blend out yung product ng maayos sa skin ko. This is the side where I already applied the foundation. And this is the side na yung sunscreen lang yung gamit ko. So, you will be able to see the difference talaga na this side has lesser coverage than this side. So, for me, I prefer using it as a primer rather than using it alone. Okay, so I'll just apply the rest of my makeup and I will be right back to share with you guys my final thoughts about this product. So, let me now share with you guys my thoughts about this product. So, first, I really love the product because it contains ample amount of SPF that can protect your skin from the sun, and most especially for those girls who are always exposed from the sun, students, working ladies na laging nasa field, this is going to be your best friend. I also love the fact na mabilis siyang i-blend sa skin. Gusto ko din sa kanya na pwede mo siyang gamitin as a primer or alone. It has a very light coverage, yes. So, if ever you guys have major skin imperfections like scarrings, hindi niya kayang makover yun. But if ever you guys wanted that no makeup look, or yung your skin but better na effect if ever you guys doesn't have a lot of skin imperfections on your skin, this product is really going to be good. Kasi nakita nyo naman, naging mas maganda yung itsura ng skin ko when I applied this product on my face compared doon sa wala akong totally nilagay na product sa aking skin. For me, the price of this product is very reasonable because aside from it's a sunscreen, it also has tint and it has other skin benefits. Diba sabi niya, it has cell protect that strengthens your skin's defense against premature aging. So you will be getting a lot of benefits from one product alone. Yung hindi ko masyadong nagustuhan sa kanya is wala siyang oil control na power, which is also one of the most important thing for me as a girl who has a very oily skin. Kasi if ever you guys have oilier skin, you really need to touch up. You need to apply some sort of powder over this product. Kasi after 2 hours pa lang, after application, using this product alone, masyado nang oily yung aking mukha. Yun yung hindi ko talaga nagustuhan sa kanya. But other than that, I think that this is going to be a really good product if you have drier skin type. And if you have oily skin type, pwede mo din gamitin siya as a primer for as long as you use a foundation that has a mattifying effect. Kasi mas magiging maganda yung finish ng foundation if ever you guys are using it on top of the tinted sunscreen. I wouldn't also recommend this product with you guys if you are having photo shoots because the amount of SPF that is in this tinted sunscreens, syempre, sunscreen nga, sobrang mataas yung SPF content niya. So, it wouldn't be advisable kung sa photoshoot niyo siya gagamitin kasi meron siyang flashback. But other than that, I really love this product and I think this is going to be a good product this coming summer, especially kung aaura ka, diba? I'm not really sure kung waterproof siya, pero I think na kung aaura ka lang naman sa beach, you will be exposed from the sun and you wanted your skin to look much more better, then I highly recommend for you guys to try this product out. So that is it for today's review, guys. I hope that you guys find this video helpful, and if you did, don't forget to leave this video a thumbs up and please consider subscribing to my channel for you guys to become a part of my beloved family. And of course, I needed for you to share your experience about this product if ever you are also using it para naman makatulong tayo sa iba na naghahanap ng magandang tinted sunscreen. So, yes, that is it for today, guys. Thank you so much for watching. You guys know that I love you so much. Don't forget what I always say to you guys. Don't let your dreams just be dreams. Make your dreams possible. And I will see you guys on my next video. Bye! Hello my loves! Welcome back to my channel. So for today, I'm back with another makeup tutorial for you guys, and today I am going to show you how I did this very easy graduation look, and I also use very affordable products for my budget-friendly girls out there. So if you guys wanted to know how I created this look, then just keep on watching.